Hey guys, kind of a quick little install video for you guys today. More just things that I want to get done to the Mustang. But first, before I start doing anything, I just want to give a shout out to the Parts Farm. I purchased this from them. But the shout out is because it was a good price, one, and two, I ordered this Monday night and I got it Wednesday morning. So incredibly fast shipping, like better than Amazon Prime shipping from the Parts Farm. And so I was gonna go ahead and get this installed. And this is actually something from another Mustang, and it's something that as you guys know, I have the base performance pack Mustang, and there's a couple of things that the premium Mustangs have that I really wish I had in my Mustang, and this is one of those things. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and get the camera set up, and then we'll go ahead and install this, and hopefully it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up so you guys can see what it is. I mean, you already know from the video title. You already know from the video title, but you'll get to see it better in here. You'll get to see it better once I take everything out of here. And this actually came from a GT 350 that the Parts Farm just got in recently. So packaging was really done really well. Shrink wrapped it really good. And this is a pack of 2 sun visors, but I only need 1. Does have what we need right there. So I'm gonna cut this. So here it is, guys. It even comes with the hanging clip for this part and here. So all we really need to do is unhook this part from the old sun visor and then hook this one in its place, and it should work, because this is just a universal garage door opener right here, so it should work just like any garage door opener. All right, so this little piece right here, it doesn't come with, so we need to save that part. And I think it just snaps off and snaps in. All right, guys, so first you kind of just want to pop this out with a flathead screwdriver, and it should just come out here really easy, but it's not wanting to for me.
2 hours later.
So there you go, just pop it out from the side, guys, and it should come out. So that just pops out like so. There's a clip right here. You want to use your flathead screwdriver, bring the 2 halves together like so, then grab a needle nose plier and I stick one end in, and then you kind of want to wiggle it around. Alright, once you have a hold of it, you want to try and pop this part out. Alright guys, so what I did is I kind of grabbed it and I pushed it in. So once that's done, this is loose now. So bring it back this way. And it just comes right out. Alright, so pull that part out. There's a little tiny clip right here. Okay, just press that and pull it out. Then go ahead and take the clip all the way out. Turn it, and you should be able to just pull it, push it through. Just don't let it fall. Alright, so there's the clip. So grab this, plug it back together, push that in. Alright, so then grab your clip. Alright, so just grab your clip and you should be able to just push it back in place like so, and then put your cover back on. Alright guys, so I had to take this part completely apart from here because this one and that one, this one's slightly smaller. I don't know if it's because this one came from a 2016 and this is 2017, or if it's because this came from a GT 350 and this is from a GT. So just be on the safe side, just get the same year as yours and hopefully you won't have that issue. But I'm going to take this part off, and what I did is I used the heat gun to kind of help me heat this part here and help me pull him back to get him off of that joint right here, get him past that area. And then I had to heat it up more to get it past this part. I untaped it and just pulled the clips out by pulling this part here out, and then there's little metal holders down in there, so you just got to pull those out and then it just slides out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to this one, get everything hooked back up together, and hopefully it'll work this time. So I got the old clip on here, and the biggest difference between the old clip and the new clip is that little ledge right here. It's longer on the new clip, on the old clip, than it is on the new one. I don't know if you can tell, but it's almost like not longer by a lot, but it is longer. I think it's like a fourth of an inch longer, if that. I measured it, but I can't remember exactly how long it is. But this lip right here is longer. If you can, here, let me see if you guys can see. This one goes to there, and the old one the old one's not even that long. So let me see if I can set this camera up somewhere here. All right, so the old one is that long right there, the one that's already on the car, and the new one, it doesn't reach my nail. So that's the biggest difference right there. So you have a gap in your carpet, in your ceiling upholstery showing. So that's the biggest difference. One thing though, guys, is if you are having to change this on your visor, don't overheat this part, this tape, because it is like a plastic tape almost, and it will shrink. So I didn't overheat it, I just kind of heated it enough so that way the adhesive would activate real good. So now I'm gonna get this set up again, and hopefully it'll go in there smoother this time. Plug it back in. So I went ahead and tested it to make sure the light comes on. Grab the clip. Alright, grab the clip, and you should be able to just push it in here. Then grab the cover, and it should fit right in. And then just finish tucking in some of these things right here, some of the carpet. Okay guys, so I got it set. Alright, so obviously it works now. Guys, if you have any questions about how to do this, do not hesitate to comment down below and ask me. I will be more than willing to help you out. Again, I ran into a little situation with this being bigger. The one that my Mustang had was bigger than the one that came with the new sun visor. So that was something that I had to fix. It was a bit difficult because I had to use a heat gun and everything to get this piece off of this metal bar right here. So it's a little bit more difficult than it should have been. It shouldn't take you very long at all to do this. But if you guys have any questions and you're struggling to get this done and you're doing it to your Mustang, again, comment down below. I will help you. I have more things that I want to do to the Mustang, so if you want to see more of that content, go ahead and subscribe down below. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up anyways, because you know you're cool. So give it a thumbs up. That'll be it. Till next time. Peace.